Long, long ago, there was a king. He was ruling his kingdom, and everyone in his kingdom was happy. Everything was running smoothly. But one night, the king saw a very bad dream during his deep sleep. The king was frightened. The next day morning, he called up his ministers and explained to them the dream that he saw during his deep sleep. The ministers suggested the king to have predictions from well known astrologers around. Accordingly, well known astrologers were called up to king's court. After hearing from the king, one of the astrologers stood up and addressed the king in this way: "O my lord, the dream that you saw during your deep sleep is certainly a very, very bad dream. What it tells us is soon you are going to experience difficult situations, tough times, sad incidents. You are also going to experience and witness the deaths of relatives, close friends, and people close to your heart." The king was very, very upset. He was furious, but keeping aside his anger, he turned to the second astrologer. The second astrologer addressed the king in this way: "O my lord, the dream that you saw during your deep sleep tells us that you are going to experience a very beautiful and long life. During your long, beautiful life, you are going to experience difficult situations, tough times, and sad incidents. But the good news is you are going to overcome those difficult situations effectively. Overall, you are going to have a very beautiful, happier, and successful life." The king was very, very happy with the predictions made by the second astrologer. Now, the king shifts his focus to the first astrologer. He orders the soldiers to arrest this first astrologer immediately and send him to the prison. He also orders his soldiers to keep that astrologer in the prison for several years. The moral of the story here is, in our day to day life, everyday life, we use lots of words. We interact with lots of people. The words that we use may make or break relationships with different people. The different people may be spouse, children, relatives, friends, colleagues, boss, etc., etc. The words that you use carry energy. The words that you use may help or hurt people. That's why it's very, very important to keep an eye on the words that we use. So that's why think before you use the words. The words that you use may appreciate, encourage, and uplift people. At the same time, words that you use may hurt, break, discourage people. So it's important to know our words and the impact of the words that we are using. Thank you for watching this video. Wishing you all the best.